how to fill a shape with color in Canva. To show you this, I'm going to go here to the left hand side where it says elements. I'm going to look for shapes, and then I'm going to click on see all, and I will scroll down past these lines, and here are all the shapes I can use. I'll just click on this arrow, for example, and I'm going to make it bigger so you can see it better. Now I want to make sure the arrow is selected. I'm going to go here to the top left corner where it says color. I'm going to click on it, and it will give me all these options to fill the object with. These are predetermined colors which you can choose from, but if you want a specific shade, you just go up here to where it says add a new color, and you can choose any kind of color you want, like this. And that's how you fill a shape with color in Canva. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.